Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Uh, Today I went to Altoona and was looking at some trains. They had a big get together there, and yeah, it's not too far from me. And there was these 250th engines, and then some Norfolk and Western, I think, passenger cars. And yeah, this was the main reason why I went there, the big boy. Yeah, I got some pretty cool pictures of it, some cool videos of it. I do have a video of it, of the conductor blowing the whistle, but that is on my parents' phone, so I'll have to try and get that on my phone. But yeah, it was just awesome. They had it all cleaned up. Uh, Even while we were all there, they were cleaning it up of oil on the wheels, because I don't really understand that, but I think it's just oiling the front and stuff so the truck can pivot and all that. But yeah, there was all of these other ones, and one thing I noticed was it'll it should be coming up here soon. Yeah, here it is. Even this thing has air conditioning on just about all the passenger cars, so beat that, France. Uh, yeah, for those of you that know, I think that's very funny. But yeah, it's really cool. And yeah, we're back here at my train table. I know it's been, again, a long time since I posted a long form video. I really don't have an excuse for this time, just laziness. And yeah, afterwards I stopped at a train shop, Neely's Train Store. Go check it out. I do recommend. Uh, the things I got were kind of in rough shape, and so he gave me a small discount on that. And yeah, I do recommend it. Of course, I recommend going to, excuse me, any train store, because we need to keep those stores in business. Those stores are the only things keeping America straight. No, I'm kidding. I will say, if America's proud to make anything of our own, it's trains. Maybe not model trains like this, but larger engines. But anyways, I'll show you what all I got. Starting off with this. This little, not little, but this bash kit, I think. It seems like a bash kit thing. But just this, excuse any background noise. But yeah, this passenger car, that's what it's called. The detailing's pretty nice. Yeah, here's the other side. I really liked it. It even has knuckle couplers. I don't think they're spring-loaded. Yeah, they're not. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. No light. I would like to put a light in here, but I'd like to get some wheels and stuff, and I don't know. And yeah, the next thing I'll show you is, so you know how I have this Amtrak baggage car and this Amtrak end passenger car, whatever it's called. I got 3 new Amtrak passenger cars, and they all 3 have lights, so there. But yeah, since they're the older type, they have paper in them. So turn this on. You can see it. There we go. That one is on. But I don't know. I'd like to take the paper out so you can see the light, but then there's nothing on the inside. Now I will say, whoa, wasn't looking at the camera. This needs taken off, cleaned up, but there are people in there. So, yeah. And, excuse me, got a small cold. And of course turn this off. Of course we'll be pairing it with the Amtrak diesel locomotive. I mean, I don't know why, but the couplers on this baggage car are really high. Come on. There we go. That should hold. But yeah. Excuse me. Right, yeah. So, you can... Oh, I also put this on. Just to kind of extend this out. I'd like to make it like another shelf like this. I just wanted to put this here for now, see how it looked. I do want to switch this little piece I nailed on because it is not the straightest piece of wood that I could have nailed onto this. But yeah. So anyways, we'll be pairing it with my Amtrak diesel. Not really anything else. Any of the larger locomotives I have are knuckle coupler, and Conrail is out of commission because this piece broke off, and I do not want to try and fiddle with that. So I'm probably... That's a spider shell. Anyway, so I'm probably going to go on eBay, just order a whole new truck set. It'll make things just so much easier. Oh, and recently I got a 3D printer, printed this little guy. And so I'll be able to try and print stuff for the train table. I tried printing some N-Skill stuff, but it requires some pins that I do not have. But anyways, so kind of a lot has happened. And yeah. But yeah, everything else I have that's on bigger scale and has knuckle couplers, or it's a diesel. I mean, I like diesels, but they're not my favorite. Steam engines are my favorite, and I like to put on steam engines every once in a while with diesel. Anyways, enough with keeping you guys waiting. I'll start this thing up. Now, you may notice that the lights will flicker. I don't know. I don't really know how to solve that. Well, new stuff anyways. But can't always have new things. You can have old things that you can fix. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's staying on the track. My Amtrak engine is still in tip-top shape of what it can be these days. And yeah, I'm surprised everything's staying on the track. Normally when it comes to passenger cars, everything just falls off. Now, with me saying that, it'll probably happen here soon. But let's enjoy it while it hasn't. But yeah. If you made it this far, just comment down below of what I could do to help things light up in there so you can see it a bit better. I mean, you can turn off lights. You had to have seen it there, but I would like to put a light in that end car. I'll keep the light off for now. It is Charlie. Where? Charlie, come here. Come here. Come here. It is the Charlie. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Charlie's such a good puppy. Charlie's such a good puppy. Anyways, back to the train. So yeah. My plan, like I said before, my plan is to basically have this whole side be a shelf, but then I'm going to kind of extend the track out onto it and get some new switches. But that will also help make this switch better, so it's not as close to this wall, and can kind of extend this out just a little bit, keep it away from the wall more. It'll just make things a bit better. And I kind of want to take those switches out and just put straight track through there, and take all that straight track out. You know, I haven't used it. It's mainly because it's in an area that's really tough to get at. But excuse me. But yeah. And yeah, it was that was short-lived. Plus, I'd like to put something along here so I can put up a wall. I hate how this corner, well, not really a corner, but I hate how this area is, because it's so danger prone. Train's up here, Oren. What are you doing? Well, I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm not paying attention. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'll slow it down a little bit. And yeah, I'd like to get just a lot of train wheels. Put them on some of my passenger cars, freight cars, stuff like that. Just so I know that they have some good new wheels, no divots in them, stuff like that. Plus, I just need to get new track, like not just new to me track, but like new track. Stuff that I can put on and not be afraid that stuff will derail. Excuse me. But yeah, I kind of find this cursed because there's 3 different, counting the engine, like 4 different versions of the Conrail paint scheme. I'll bring it back around here. We got the Conrail engine. It's kind of bold. So I'll turn on the light. There we go. Yeah. The middle line is skinny, outer lines are kind of skinny. It's got white, well, I'm talking about the white lines here. Like the top line here, the white one. 3 skinny white lines, and of course, was I saying Conrail? So I mean Amtrak. Yeah. And then there's this one. No white lines except for the middle one. And they're all the same. They're all the same size. And then these 3, which are like the engine, but they're just a bit older. I mean, I could be wrong. They could be the same, but I see them a little different. And then there's the end one, where it has the little thing in here. And, pure white here. It just goes around and stuff. Same as those ones. This is more like that. But it's not like these, because these also don't have the texture like these, and that's different. Well, that's just me. It's definitely 3 different kinds. 4 maybe, but definitely 3. And yeah, and yeah, next video I'll feature this running, because it takes a while to take these off and yada yada. I don't want to take them off just yet, but it's becoming a longer video. So yeah. Anyways, I will post some more short form. I'll try and get a new system for this one, and yeah. Yeah, comment down below what I should do for the windows, because I'd like to take the paper out of there, but I would like to put like maybe some plastic in there with the people on the plastic. Like, you know how they make the imprints of people on the plastic that you can put on the windows. I don't know. It would kind of be tough with this stuff, because it's old. I don't know if they make it for this. But yeah. Just noticed that. Silver Lodge, Silver Tower, and then Silver Lodge. Cool. Yeah. Well, anyways, if you like this video, leave a like. Subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you to, but it would help my channel, because I'd like to get over 500 subscribers, and then start making a little bit of money off this channel. Because if I start making money off this channel, that'll support excuse me, that'll support the train table and new future endeavors like this and this and this. And yeah. Oh, and more solder. I'm running out of this. But yep. Again, if you like this video, sorry, this throat cold really getting to me. But again, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, talk to you all later.